For the repair of Damcos circuit board PCBs, the following procedure was necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use 24-volt DC as power supply. We can see that when we turn on the power supply, the light bulb lights up. The same process is repeated for the second item. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the Damcos circuit board PCBs is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the customer.